Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Hallah, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to speak about things that are obligated in Maasrot, but exempt from Hallah. Right? So if you remember, first we spoke about things that are obligated in both Hallah and Maasrot. Then we spoke about things that are obligated in Hallah but patur from Maasrot. Over here, we're going to speak about things that are obligated in Maasrot but patur from Hallah. And what are they? It's going to be dependent on the species, right? So elu hayim maasrot pturim min halal. These are obligated maasrot patur halal. Haorez, rice, v'adohan, millet, v'apiragin is poppy, v'shum shemin, right? This is sumsum, sesame. V'akotnit, right? Kotniot are legumes. Upachot mehameshet riva'im b'tivua, or less than 5 quarters, right? So it's 1 1/4 of tivua. 1 1/4 what? 1 1/4 kav, right? So it's hameshet riva'im kabim of tivua. We'll see exactly how this plays out, right? Based on measurements that, it's like similar like inflation. So measurements got bigger over time. This will end up coming out to 43.2 betza, right? It's important measurement to know. Mag v'homesh betza, right? 43.2 betza is going to be obligated in Hallah. Now the Mishnah continues. Vesufkenin, right? Vesufkenin is a veduvshenin, ve'iskeritin, vehalata masret, right? All these items, these 4, are different types of breads that they would, from the beginning when they would start kneading it, they would knead it sometimes with oil or with honey or different types of spices, and they would cook it differently. Sometimes, we'll see that they'll cook a lot of times. They dehydrate it outside in the sun. Different ways of sort of baking these things, and each one, is different. And all these items are going to be patur from Hallah, right? So if you know the Targum, actually of Unkelus, of Rekike Matzot, right, in Sefer Shemot, is aspogin petirin, right? So sufkenin is similar to the Rekik, right, or that wafer-like. Beduv shenin, right, it has debash, right? This was kneaded with honey. Iskeritin, right? This is actually Targum for tzapihit, right? Ta'amok tzapihit bidvash is iskeritin, right? And mahavat, right? The Targum of mahavat is masrata, right? That's the pan, right? Halata masret, right? Masrata, right? That's why it says halata masret. Now the Mishnah continues. Meduma also, meduma we know already. This is a mixture of tiruma, right? So if it's a mixture of tiruma, we already saw Masechet Maasrot. Then it's considered tiruma patur from Hallah. So all these are piturin from Hallah, right? So just to point out, Rambam points this out. What's patur from Hallah? For the sufkenin, right? I put a little extra space over here. From sufkenin, duvshnim, veskeritin, halata maseret, medura. All those are patur from Hallah. But the first half of the Mishnah, right, which is also patur from Hallah, those are also obligated in Maasrot, right? It doesn't make sense to really say the last part of the Mishnah is obligated on Maasrot because it's not a type of species, right? The first half of the Mishnah is speaking about different types of species that are obligated in Maasrot and patur from Hallah. The second half of the Mishnah, we're talking about different types of cakes, right, that are patur from Hallah regardless of Maasrot.